Topic 19, Lesson 2, Line Symmetry. We've already learned that figures related by reflection are the same size and shape. In this lesson, you're going to learn to use this relationship to identify lines of symmetry. So our central question is, what is a line of symmetry? Well, let's take a look at some of the vocabulary words, like symmetry. Symmetry is a figure can be folded so that one half fits exactly on top of the other half. And that's important to know. So if you fold it, one side is exactly the same as the other side, and it can't even be a little bit off. It has to be exactly the same both sides. Now, line of symmetry is the fold line on the figure itself. That's what makes it have the symmetry. It's the line itself. So let's take a look at an example. Here we have a simple square. And we can make our line of symmetry like this. We cut it down the middle, and so we know that one side, this side, is exactly the same as this side. If we folded it, boom, they would be exactly the same. Now, does it have any more lines of symmetry? Well, sure. How about right here? Same thing. Now we've got this side is the same as this side. Well, how many lines of symmetry are there in all? How many do you think? Well, there are actually 4, and you can see them right here. You can see that they go this way, and this way, and this way. There's 4 lines of symmetry, and they cut it exactly in half, so when you fold them, they create the same shape on both sides. Let's try some others. Take a look at this circle. Now, circles are actually pretty unique because they have more than one line of symmetry, but not only just more. I can cut it across this way, and I can cut it across this way, I can cut it across this way, and in reality, there's an indefinite number of lines of symmetry. It can go on forever. You just keep moving a little bit, and as long as it goes through the middle, from one end to the other end of the circle and through the middle, you can have as many lines of symmetry as you can create. Now let's take a look at these H's. The H's, as you can see, cuts this way. That means this side over here is the same as this side over here. And then we have another line of symmetry, the same shape, same figure. Now this side is the same as this side. Let's try some more. Take a look at these. Here we have an animal, or 2 animals, and the line of symmetry is exactly right here. So that one side is exactly the same as the other side. However, I couldn't go like this, because this side is not the same as the bottom side. So in this case, this lion here, this mountain lion, only has one line of symmetry. Same thing with the butterfly. We can only cut it down this way, because this side is the same as this side. But if I were to cut across a different way, it is not exactly the same. They don't have the same shape on both sides. So this, again, only has one line of symmetry. Now let's pause and you try some of these on your own. Get a piece of paper, draw these shapes, and find out how many lines of symmetry do each of these have. So pause it, and good luck. Okay, how many did you find? Well, with the square, we already learned that there are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And with the triangle, we have 1, 2, and 3. And with our pentagon, we can go down this way, straight across. My lines are a little off, but you get the idea. And our hexagon, it has quite a few as well. And our rectangle. A rectangle is just like the square. It's going to go right down the same number as a square. It's going to have 4. And then we're back to our circle again. Circle, like I said, could be just forever. You just keep going and keep going and you would have as many as you could squeeze in. Did you get the same answers? Good. Now try finding some lines of symmetry in figures all around you. Good luck!